morning, happy Friday. This is Marie Fitzgerald, owner of Treasure Valley's Home Team. We are here in my neighborhood of North Meridian in the subdivision LaMirada. This beautiful neighborhood is built between 2 and 5 years ago, and I'm here to give you your tour today of the newest home that's on the market on San Pedro Street. Let's go take a tour. LaMirada has a few small cul-de-sacs at the edge of the perimeters of the subdivision. This particular home actually is what I would deem to be ADA accessible, with the signature wide hallways and larger door frames. At 2,083 square feet, this is one of the largest homes in the subdivision. Has a front office, laundry room, and nice large living space with outdoor patio with south-facing sunlight. And we're going to take a quick peek at the master bedroom. Again, all that beautiful light, one of the bigger corner yards. This has been your tour of a gem of a home in the Treasure Valley. Make it a great day.